Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your customer data with HubSpot. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open HubSpot and log in to your account. Navigate to the settings icon in the top right corner. In the left sidebar, select the account settings option. Scroll down to the data privacy section. Here, you can configure various data protection settings. Enable the option for data processing agreement if required for compliance. Next, locate the user permissions section. Review the list of users and their permissions. Assign roles based on the level of access each user needs. Ensure that only essential team members have access to sensitive data. Now, go to the contacts settings. Click on Contact Properties. You can manage which information is collected from customers. Be transparent with customers about what data you collect. Update your privacy policy to reflect data handling practices. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. This helps to protect accounts from unauthorized access. Next, explore the Security tab in Settings. Review features like session management and IP address restrictions. Implement any necessary restrictions to limit access. Regularly audit your data to ensure compliance and security measures. Schedule periodic reviews of user permissions and data access. Encourage your team to follow best practices for data protection. Provide training on data privacy laws and company policies. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your customer data with HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.